Welcome to this beautifully maintained residence in the prestigious Stratford at Pelican Bay, where comfort, elegance, and the renowned Pelican Bay lifestyle come together. This spacious condominium offers a light-filled interior with an inviting open floor plan, neutral finishes, and expansive windows that showcase breathtaking panoramic views. The well-appointed kitchen features abundant cabinetry, generous counter space, a breakfast bar, and an adjoining dining area, perfect for everyday living or entertaining. The living room flows seamlessly onto the oversized screened lanai, creating an ideal indoor-outdoor living space. The east-facing lanai offers some of the most spectacular Florida sunrises, providing the perfect setting to enjoy your morning coffee while taking in sweeping views and refreshing Gulf breezes. As the day winds down, the twinkling city lights create an equally captivating evening backdrop. The spacious primary suite serves as a peaceful retreat with ample closet space and a well-appointed ensuite bath featuring dual vanities, a soaking tub, and a separate shower. A generously sized guest bedroom and additional full bath provide comfort and privacy for family and visitors. Tastefully furnished and move-in ready, this residence offers neutral decor and effortless coastal elegance throughout. Residents of Stratford enjoy exceptional amenities, including resort-style swimming pool and spa, fitness center, social and community rooms, guest suites, library, 24-hour security, on-site management. As a resident of Pelican Bay, you'll enjoy exclusive access to nearly 3 miles of private white sand beaches with beachfront dining, attended beach services, scenic nature trails, tennis, pickleball, kayaking, sailing, a state-of-the-art fitness center, and an active community lifestyle. Ideally located just minutes from waterside shops, artists, Naples, Mercado, and Naples' finest shopping, dining, and entertainment. Wake up to unforgettable sunrises, enjoy world-class amenities, and experience the unparalleled luxury lifestyle that makes Pelican Bay one of Naples' most desirable communities. Information contained herein is deemed reliable but not guaranteed.